Let me show you how I like to make a wild turkey Cajun pasta. This is a really simple pasta recipe and a great way to use up that wild turkey that you just got. It's loaded with flavor. It's spicy, it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's everything you could possibly want in a pasta, made in about 10 to 15 minutes. But let's get into this. To get started, we're gonna trim up our turkey breast. We're gonna clean off any of the silver skin. We're gonna divide this into 4 even pieces. To get started, we're going to trim up our turkey breast. We want to get rid of the silver skin and that tendon inside the middle of it. Now you can cut this into as many breast fillets as you want or as many people as you're going to feed. Today I'm going to trim this one up into 2. Now the full recipe is down in the description. We're also going to season this thing up with your favorite Cajun or blackened seasoning. Now over the stove, we're going to heat up a large skillet and we're also going to get our water boiling for our noodles. First, we're going to go in with our andouille sausage and we're going to get that cooked down and get the oils released from that. Once we've rendered out the fat from the andouille sausage, we're going to add in a little bit of olive oil. We're going to go in with our seasoned turkey breast. We're going to cook these up. Once those are done, we're going to pull them out, set them aside. We're going to throw in our onions and peppers and saute those up till they become translucent. Then we're going to go in with our garlic and cook that for another few minutes. Now we're going to go in with our chicken stock. We're going to reduce that down slightly. We're going to add in our heavy cream, our Parmesan cheese, and our hot pepper cheese. We're going to let that all melt and start to thicken up. Once our sauce is to the consistency we like, we're going to season it with some more Cajun seasoning, some fresh herbs. We're going to go back in with our andouille sausage, throw in our cooked pasta, and now we're going to plate this up. All right, let's plate. Beautiful, beautiful pasta. We're going to layer our turkey breast, perfectly cooked, right across like this. Not going to get too fancy with it. There you go. We're going to garnish with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Alright, let's get a bite. Alright, let's get the perfect bite. Got a little bit of the turkey, the sausage, the pasta. Oh man. That is so good. It's rich. Excuse me a second. It's rich. It's creamy. Lots of flavor from the onions, the peppers, the Cajun seasoning, the andouille sausage, the turkey. It's just so much flavor going on. It's the perfect level of heat, perfect level of creaminess. This is a really great pasta. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other recipes on shoptaggedout.com. We'll see you guys later this week.